and all? And are you going to just put like a solid color and then go back in and blend it? You want me to help you? You want me to do it? Okay.
If I could do it herself.
She did it
I'm
herself.
gonna play stupid since we're on him.
Yeah. She can do it herself and one of us will touch her out.
Yeah, you can do it yourself one of the touch.
Touch yourself and then we'll go back and touch you up.
Like you did last time? And
Yeah.
Okay, I can't remember.
Okay,
Well,
got
no matter.
all this
Just put it
thing.
Huh?
Just put it on.
Yeah, put it on. And then we'll just
We'll
touch
blend it.
We'll blend
Okay.
it.
I'm serious. You're ugly, I'm sorry.
Wow. Don't you
Bill.
need to get busy over there?
I'm not
Look, I'm
not
ready.
listen to me.
You're gonna have new tits because those are gonna be gone.
I'm doing real great tonight. Real girl great.
My brow bone. Shelly,
Ma'am?
all the way to my brow bone with this red.
Yeah, whatever you want. We'll touch it up. You're fine. Don't worry about it. But honey, I can make it look good.
Oh, this one?
And we got a spotlight too, honey. That makes anything look good. Isn't that right,
That
baby?
Depends on what gel they use.
Did you say you wanted to like a hat? Go to church.
What?
Wear this up in a revival tonight in Springdale, hon.
Boy, I should have used that shit because we got dried out and made it.
Don't worry about it because I come, you can come back over and powder it.
On all fours.
This music to make you feel like you're getting ready in the car.
These are just put together. I must put it on too good. Big. I've got to move my hand.
We need a cocktail in here. I'm going to shave right quick so I can start.
Oh yeah.
Oh, sorry.
One she was knocked out.
Liked it. Oh, okay.
You just go into big places for the garden entertainers.
Yeah, sorry, Ma, and a little while and a half.
Your wig looks hard. Your hair, even if your hairline's showing or whatever, it won't show.
And this is kind of hollow. To your face, there's the first.
Yeah.
Listen back
I
one.
usually have to tell you what we're talking about before I even come in the room. All you gotta do is buy the tape, you can hear what's going on.